Welcome to Keitan Rinpo Martial Arts Academy. My name is Reed. In this video, we're going to be covering the next section of our Yang Style 24 form. In our previous video, we covered parting the wild horse's mane. In this video, we're going to cover the transition from parting wild horse's mane to lift hands, from lift hands to wide crane spreads wings. I'm also going to be showing the lift hands to white crane spread wings, how it's used in the Wu style form also, to give a little context for application. Okay, so we're going to do a brief review of parting wild horse's mane, and then we're going to transition forward. Okay. So in wild horse's mane, you end up in this posture here. Okay, we're here. You're in a front stance, back straight, hand out like this, right? Hands about nose height here. And this hand is going to be over your foot in a palm like this, right? Now in lift hands, what you're going to do is you're going to shift your weight forward, and then you're going to just move your back foot about halfway up. Right here, boom, and then shift back to a cat stance or open stance, right? So without the hands, you're just going here, here, here. Okay? So with the hands, you're here. You're going to scoop up, lift, and here. That's from lift hands to white crane spreads wings. Okay? I'm going to do it from this angle here. From here. Shift forward. Hip is going to engage forward as your foot steps up. This hand's going to scoop up in tandem with your foot, and you're going to just lift up and go to here, to white crane spreads wings. Okay? Now, if we take a look at the Wu style lift hands of white crane spreads wings, it comes from a different transition. In Wu style, it comes from single whip, from here. Now, in Yang style, single whip is forward. Wu style is using the chin style single whip that Wu Chanyu would have learned from Yang Nu Chuan. So it is going from here. So just kind of digressing a little bit, going from teaching the Wu style transition, we're going to be going from it comes from end of grasping sparrow by its tail, which we haven't covered yet. We will do in a future video. It comes from here, it transitions here, you hook, you step, you go from substantial to substantial this way. So you're never going to be 50-50. It goes from here, here, and then you go to a press, and then your lift hands is this. Okay? Once again, go to here, substantially on this one. This leg's going to be free, and you're going to come in and press. And then your substantially front leg, and this hand's going to come up. This hand's going to come down like this. So the way this was explained to me, or at least in the manual that I have on the Wu Lu Chai Chen form, is this is a parrying down and this is a strike up. So you're attacking, let's say someone's coming in to grab, you parry this hand out, you open them up this direction, and then you shift in to attack the chest. They reach in and grab, you parry this hand down, you strike up to the throat. So in karate, it would be similar to, say, Pinan Yondan, where you're doing this, boom. So you're parrying down and you're striking. In this one, you're parrying down and you're striking up. So you're here, here. All right. So from here in the Wu style form, it looks a little different. You're going to rock side to side like this. You're going to go from right to left to right, and you're going to go like this. One, right to left to right to left, here. right? Now, if you're doing Yang style, you're going 1 to 2 here. So you get the same movement, but you get it from a different angle, right? So Wu style, if I go this way, we're just gonna go here, here, 1, 2, here. So a little fast, but just for demonstration purposes. So if we take the idea of this hand parrying down, this hand striking into the Yang style context, we have this, all right? You're in this parry, you're parrying right here. Maybe you just block something like that. This hand's going to come up like that. You're parrying down, and then you're striking up. You could be boom, boom. All right, so it's the same idea. It's more open. This hand is in close, and you come up. This is in a more open position. Wait. Let me rewind. It's in a more open position. All right. So we're here, can be stepping in. This could be just parrying down and striking here. So when your hands are here and then to here, this symbolizes this hand's going to be controlling. This hand is going to be either deflecting or striking. Okay? Similar to like Pinan Yondan in karate, where you're doing this and this. Whenever you have an arm like this, you're generally controlling and striking with one hand. Or in Naihanchi, you have this, which this could be an arm bar, right? You're pulling somebody's arm underneath your arm. So think about what your other hand is doing in relation to the movement, okay? So Yang style, going from here, transition up, hip's going to transition, kind of turn in. Your foot and your hand is going to come here. Your other hand is going to come up like that. And then you're going to transition out this way, and then you're going to open up like this. So 1, 2. So we're not going to be super big. We want to think of it as like a high block in karate and like a low block. If you're just kind of opening them up and doing this. Okay? So slowly once again, we're going to go into here. 1, 2, 3. And then the next motion would be brush knee twist step. And we will cover that in our next video. If you have any questions, please comment down below, like the video, share, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, see you then. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below and watch the video on your